Hey ladies, let's be real for a second. How many times have you felt completely overwhelmed by the billion-dollar weight loss industry shouting at you? Keto, intermittent fasting, carb cycling, magic teas. It's exhausting. It feels like you need a PhD just to figure out what to eat for breakfast. We are drowning in information, but starving for wisdom. What if I told you that while losing weight is definitely not easy, it takes work? The actual mechanism of how it happens is incredibly simple. Today, we're stripping away all the noise. We are getting back to basics. I'm going to give you the 3 pillars of weight loss that actually work, and by the end of this video, you'll see how simple it can be to finally become who you want to be. Pillar number 1. And here's the hook you need to internalize. You don't need to fear food to lose fat. Forget the 50 complicated rules you read online. At its very core, weight loss is an energy equation. Science tells us that to lose weight, you need to intake slightly fewer calories than your body burns in a day. That's the lesser part. But here is the game changer. It's also about proper calories. If you only eat 200 calories of gummy bears a day, you might lose weight, but you will feel terrible, your hormones will crash, and you'll eventually binge. The secret is prioritizing nutrient-dense food, proteins, fiber, veggies. These foods keep you full on fewer calories. When you fuel your body properly, you stop fighting hunger and start working with your metabolism. Now, I know this is where everyone gets stuck. How many calories? What macros? What do I actually buy at the grocery store? Listen, we have taken all the guesswork out of this. If you look in the description box below, we have incredible resources, meal guides and nutrition blueprints designed specifically for women to make this math dead simple for you. Don't struggle alone with the numbers. Let us give you the plan. Pillar number 2 is movement. And the hook here is crucial. Stop thinking you need to train for the Olympics just to drop a dress size. Somewhere along the way, we started believing that exercise has to be miserable punishment for what we ate yesterday. That is a lie. Yes, we need to burn more calories. We need to move our bodies. But we overvalue that 1 hour in the gym and completely undervalue the other 23 hours of the day. Are you taking the stairs? Are you walking while on phone calls? Are you doing intentional strength training a few times a week to build metabolism-boosting muscle? It's not about running a marathon tomorrow. It's about consistent, sustainable movement that celebrates what your body can do, rather than punishing it for what it looks like. If you hate traditional gyms or don't know where to start, we've got you covered. Check the description below for our movement plans designed for busy ladies that you can do right from home with minimal equipment. We help you find movement you actually enjoy. And finally, pillar number 3. This is the one almost everyone ignores. You cannot out-diet or outwork a chronic lack of sleep. We wear our busyness and exhaustion like a badge of honor. Ladies, stop it. When you don't get the proper amount of sleep, aiming for that 7 to 8 hour range, your hormones go haywire. Your body produces more ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and less leptin, the I'm full hormone. When you are tired, your willpower vanishes, and your brain craves sugar for quick energy. Sleep isn't being lazy. Sleep is metabolic maintenance. It's essential recovery. You have to respect your rest to see results. So there it is. Intake lesser and better calories. Move your body more. Get proper sleep. It sounds so ridiculously simple, doesn't it? So why are we still struggling? Why is it so hard? Because life happens. Stress, emotions, families, jobs, they all get in the way. Knowing what to do is simple. Consistently doing it when life gets crazy is hard. That is exactly why we do what we do. You don't need more complex information. You need transformation and support. You need a guide to help you implement these 3 simple pillars when things get tough. Please, explore the links in the description. We have the tools, the community, and the coaching to help you finally become the version of yourself you envision. Don't try to do this alone anymore. May God bless you and your weight loss journey. I know you can do this. Please subscribe to the channel for more honest, simple advice, and I'll see you in the next video.